Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back to For Wheels Empire. Today, we're diving into a super common OBD to trouble code P0420. This code is all about the catalytic converter, and if you're seeing it, it means your car's catalyst system efficiency is below the threshold. But don't worry, in this video, I'll walk you through step by step how to diagnose, fix, and clear this code. Let's get started. The P0420 code signals a low catalyst system efficiency. This code suggests that the oxygen levels are below the desired threshold bank 1, which most often results from problems with your car's exhaust or fuel systems. It can sometimes be tricky to diagnose. Exhaust manifold damage or leakage. Exhaust pipe damage or leakage. Misfiring engine. Catalytic converter oil contamination. Irregular engine coolant temperature sensor. A faulty rear or front oxygen sensor. Oxygen wiring damage. Loose connection in the O-squared wiring. Illuminated check engine light. Failed emissions test. Rotten egg smell from the exhaust pipe. Reduced engine power output. Inability to accelerate. First, grab an OBD scanner to confirm the P0420 code. If you don't have one, you can pick one up or visit an auto parts store. Most will scan your car for free. There are many different kinds of cleaner. Normally, it's all under $20. Simply pour the cleaner into the gas tank. Then you can drive your car for 150 miles. Or run the engine at about 2,500 RPMs for 30 minutes to run the cleaner through. Now the first thing you need to do is to remove the catalytic converter from your vehicle. Then get a bucket. Put some detergent soap in it and foam it up. Put the catalytic converter into the solution. Soak it up for 10 hours to remove all the crud that's inside of it. You can see by looking inside the converter. There are all kinds of little honeycomb shapes. They clog up really easy, and cleaning will often make them open and work again. You can remove the oxygen sensor from the converter and fix P0420 by putting an extra space between the sensor and the converter. First, get a spark plug non-fouler and then use a 1/2-inch drill to refit it. By doing this, the spark plug non-fouler is now having enough space to fit into the oxygen sensor. Put them together and put them back on the catalytic converter. If you find refitting the component is too complicated, you can also get some parts like oxygen sensor extender or oxygen sensor socket to create that space. Once you've addressed the problem, you'll want to clear the code. Simply go back to your OBD scanner and erase the code from the system. Then, take your car for a test drive to make sure the code doesn't come back. And there you have it. Fixing a P0420 code isn't as scary as it sounds. Whether it's an O2 sensor, an exhaust leak, or a bad catalytic converter, following these steps will get you back on the road in no time. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more car repair tips. And let me know in the comments if you've ever had to deal with the P0420 code and how you fixed it. See you in the next one.